In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom character in Microsoft Designer. First, sign into your Microsoft 365 account and open Microsoft Designer. Once you're in, start a fresh canvas by choosing Create New. This gives you a clean space to build your character from the ground up and keeps your layout focused on what matters. Unlike some traditional illustration tools, Microsoft Designer doesn't have a dedicated character feature. That's okay. You can build expressive characters by combining shapes, illustrations, and images in a smart, intentional way. Think of it like assembling a collage. Each piece adds personality and detail. Head to the Elements tab. This is your toolkit. Use the search bar to find illustrations you can mix and match. Look for pre-made character poses, faces, or individual body parts like heads, hands, and accessories. You'll often find sets designed to work together, which makes the process faster and more cohesive. Drag the elements you like onto the canvas and begin arranging them into a character silhouette. As you combine illustrations, start refining. Adjust colors to match your brand or the mood of your project. Many elements support color edits, so try coordinating skin tones, outfits, and hair for a consistent look. Consider adding accessories like glasses, hats, or props to convey personality and context. Small details can make your character feel more intentional and unique. Keep proportions balanced by scaling elements thoughtfully. Hold a consistent size for the head and torso so the character reads clearly, even at smaller sizes. Nudge elements into place for clean alignment and tidy overlaps. If you're blending styles, aim for visual harmony by sticking to a limited color palette and similar line weights. When you land on a combination you like, duplicate it to create alternate poses or expressions without starting over. Take a moment to review your character at different sizes to ensure it's legible on social posts, presentations, and thumbnails. Make minor tweaks to contrast if anything looks muddy or hard to read. When you're satisfied, save your work as a reusable asset so you can stay consistent across future projects. Use the Save as Template option, give it a clear name, and add a brief description so you can find it quickly later. This way, your custom character becomes part of your toolkit, ready to adapt to new messages and layouts while maintaining a unified visual identity. That's it. Your character is ready, and your template is set for repeat use.